On the video that I was showing you my rat trap on and the squirrels up on, it's a video ended. I don't know how, but I think I pressed the button by accident. But yeah, this is what it is. I got a big worm on here. Dropped it in water. I want to show y'all how it looks like under this water, but I can't cause my phone. I got my phone recording this. It's my bucket I have in. I have fish in it. I have fish in this. I have fish in it. I caught a bass, bluegill. I'm about to feed them. Let's see if I can grab one. I just had them too. I have like a little fish and bites every time. See, it made me bleed. Yeah. See, I'm not sure I can see that, but yeah, maybe draw off my camera. Yeah, it made me bleed. I just wiped it off. So yeah. I got my frog over there, my jerk baits and everything, my bobbers, and my beach jerky. I'm trying to catch one, but I can't. Wow. I have to put my bobber in. I got one bass, one blue. I got about 4 bass, and I got about 2 bluegill. And I don't know what's the other kind of fish called. It's like small and it's white. I don't know if it's like a shad or something. I don't know what it is. Make sure you tell me in the comments. And please subscribe to my videos. And this video, I like fishing a lot. And it's trapping squirrels and rats. Under my house, we got a whole lot of rat holes under there. Yeah, I go to this lake every time, and I catch like fish, have them in that bucket, and I put them in this bucket. It's like 2 miles away.